Hello everyone, welcome to Work Status. In this video, we are going to know about the tasks which are available inside the dashboard of a user profile. Once the user log in and he can go to his task, he'll be able to see the list of the informations of what all projects or to-dos has been assigned to him. The bar here shows the number of tasks assigned, what are the to-dos assigned, what all tasks he's working on, what all tasks he has worked on until now, how many are yet to be started, and how much hours he has invested into it, and how much hours are available. You can always do a filter by clicking on this date tab where you can select the range and be able to see the amount of data as per the date range selected. Further in this, you'll be able to see the widgets by giving the total representation of what are the projects work, how much the tasks work, and it also give you a complete information of the views of the task allotted to the specific member here, which gives you the information on what was this task ID, the name, what was the list, what was the project, the start time, end time, invested, and the estimated hours, along with the further information of the task allotted to the specific member. You can click on load more button here to have the more of the tasks loaded for the specific member. You can click on this view from simple to advanced to see the hierarchical structure of the task. Further in the screen, you can click on the filters to filter out the data as per your need. You can sort them. You can have the column adjusted as per your requirements. You can click on the checkbox to have them enabled and unchecked to have them disabled. Further, you can export the specific screen data in the CSV or the PDF format. This is for the task of a specific member that you can see, and that you can also see as an organization owner by clicking on the profile section, and then you can come up to here and select the name of the person whom you wish to see the data for. So this was all about the task that is available for a specific member in the profile section. Thank you.